Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. October 25, 2025, Saturday Racing. Ngayong araw ng Sabado, ang umpisa ng 2 araw na pagganap ng ika-24th 24th Club Don Juan de Manila Racing Festival. Ngayong Sabado, October 25 at sa Linggo, October 26. Ngayong araw ng Sabado, meron po tayong 10 races. Lahat ay trophy races. Maliban sa race 7 na may distansyang 1,600 meter distance, 1 milya, yung siyam na karerang iba pa ay pawang 1,400 meter distance. Bago po ang ating mga cool choices, muli po nating i-acknowledge ang buwan ng Oktubre, Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Starting time ng karera 2:30 PM po. At humble na aking observation, perception, mahirap po ang karera. Kaya nga po ang ginawa po natin ay ni-review pa muli at ika nga'y nirepaso pa ulit. Wishful thinking, sana makatulong sa inyong diskarte ang ating mga cool tips, maging positive guide. Harinawa. Bali ngayong araw ng Sabado, ganun din sa Linggo, hindi na batay sa rating base, handicapping. Kaya walang indication dito. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool tips. Race number 1, first pick 5, covers races 1 to 5. Ang race 1 ay may pentapekta. Ito ay Club Don Juan de Manila Trophy Race, sponsored by Club Don Juan de Manila. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 1, Umaapoy. Cool second choice, number 3, 1, Of a Kind. Cool third choice, number 2, Boss, Pabale. Race 2, first winner take all, covers races 2 to 8. Another Club Don Juan de Manila Trophy Race, sponsored by Club Don Juan de Manila. Meron po tong Super 6. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 1, Ichi Run Run with Jackie JB Hernandez. Cool second choice, number 9, Go G Go, JB Guerra riding. Dumako tayo sa race 3. Ang race 3 naman po ay Silver Bullet Production Incorporated Trophy Race, sponsored by Peter Estropigan. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 7, Elizabeth Joy. Cool second choice, ang malamang na outstanding first favorite. Cool second choice po natin, number 9, Exalted. Last time out, tinalo niya na ang ilan dito. At impressive win. Bako tayo sa race 4. winner take all covers races o second winner take all covers races 4 to 10. Ito naman ng Manila Horsepower Trophy Race, sponsored by Manila Horsepower. Meron tong pentapekta. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 5, Blame the Ghost. At J.O.L. Ciego on the saddle. Cool second choice, number 9, Desirable. Apprentice Jockey R.C. Semasio. May advantage po to na magaan na timbang. 50 kilo lang ang dadalin. Naman tayo ngayon sa race 5. Pick 6 covers races 5 to 10. Meron po itong Super 6. At ang race 5 naman ay R33 Car Exchange Trophy Race. Another special race. Sponsored naman ito ni Raymond Alan P. Ronquillo. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 9, Diamond Heart. Cool second choice, number 1, Right or Wrong. At cool third choice, number 2, Boss Lady. Punta naman natin ngayon ng race 6. Second pick 5 covers races 6 to 10. Meron tong pentapekta. Ito naman ang Luis and Hans Villanueva Trophy Race, sponsored by Hans and Luis Villanueva. Ang ating pong cool first choice, couple then 3, 7, Lily Bell, 7A Upscale Bell. Cool second choice, number 9, Constatic Offer. Punta naman natin ngayon ng race 7, pick 4, covers races 7 to 10. Ito na po yung nag-iisang may distansyang 1 milya, 1,600 meter. Ito naman ang Concrete Solution Builders and Supply Trophy Race, sponsored by Joey Sialsita. Ang ating pong cool first choice sa race 7, couple entry 6, Amor My Love. Another R.C. Semasio Apprentice Jockey. Coupled 6A, Amor Mi Amor. J.A. Pastoral on the saddle. At ang ating pong cool second choice, number 2, Batang Kankalu with J.T. Pabilik on top. Punta tayo sa race 8. Meron po itong Super 6. Ito naman ang Goto Kips Trophy Race. Another special race sponsored by Roberto Bobet Colliantes. Ang ating pong cool first choice, last to enter, number 12, Elegant Lady. Ang napansin ko po sa kanya, kay Elegant Lady ay talagang tinuruan ng sumunod. Pero kung gustong ibandera o bumandera, palagay ko kaya naman. Cool second choice, number 5, Danish Sun. Umentado na po ito kaysa dati. Cool third choice, number 3, another R.C. Semasio Apprentice Jockey. 50 kilo lang ang dadalhin. Number 3, Wild Cut. Race 9. May pentapekta po ito. Yung race 8 may Super 6 kung hindi ko po nabanggit. Dito sa race 9 natin pong cool first choice, number 6, Golden 8. Cool second choice, number 3, Anya. At cool third choice, number 1, Victorious Fashion. Race 10, last race. Meron po tong Super 6. Another Club Don Juan de Manila Trophy Race sponsored by Club Don Juan de Manila. Dito sa race 10, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 8, Biglang Buhos. Cool second choice, number 1, Fearless. Meron po tayong cool third choice dito, coupled entry, 7, Anyare. 7A, 7 of Diamonds. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!